Hi, Todd from Walnut Ridge. Uh, just want to go over some maintenance, uh, lack of maintenance. So we have a travel trailer in here. People brought it in for unrelated issue. When the technician just looking over everything, as all our techs do when we bring it in, we just give it a once over, check everything out. Uh, the decking on this roof back here in this area, it is gone. I mean, I'm pushing down on it. It is completely gone. So water's been leaking in for quite some time at the gutter rail along here. You can see right here, they have hit something previously and here. No holes in the membrane or anything of that nature, but it has not had any maintenance in quite a while. Uh, so you need to clean these area. When we do a roof treatment and reseal the roof, we also reseal these gutter rails. Obviously, this is original. Uh, Nothing has ever been done that we can see. So we're in process of doing an estimate for them. Uh, it's going to need the roof pulled off, uh, new decking, an overlay, new roof membrane. Very expensive. This could all been avoided. Just get up on your roof, check your roofs, check your sealants, reseal as needed.